Welcome to the second week of Calculus 1 course. We often are in need of simplifying expressions given algebraically when calculating limits, derivatives, or doing integration. When we're coming into the calculus course, from our pre-calculus, we already know a lot of rules and properties. For example, here's what I have found on the internet. It's a very useful cheat sheet with properties of exponential, logarithmic function, quadratic formulas, properties of radicals, special product formulas, and so on. Unfortunately, during the exam time, we have no access to the cheat sheets like this. So, how am I supposed to check if the formula that I hope I remembered correctly is indeed a correct formula, or maybe I just invented new formula that is generally not true? Let's say I need to simplify square root of x minus y, and I think that it might be square root of x minus square root of y. One of the things I can do to check whether or not this formula truly works is substitute some non-trivial values instead of x and y. Let's say x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. Then square root of x minus y that I originally had is going to become square root of 4 minus 1, so it's square root of 3. I hope that this expression can be rewritten as square root of x minus square root of y, so let's calculate what square root of 4 minus square root of 1 is. I'll get 2 minus 1, which is 1. Just a second. On the left side, my original expression produces square root of 3, while my new expression, square root of x minus square root of y, produces 1. Square root of 3 is a number between 1 and 2. It's not equal to 1. Therefore, this is an incorrect formula. Square root of x minus y generally is not equal to square root of x minus square root of y. So, what do I mean when I say non-trivial values of x and y? The formula that I hope would work is not necessarily wrong for all values of x. Here are the values of x and y for which square root of x minus y and square root of x minus square root of y produce exactly the same values. If x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, square root of x minus y is 1, and square root of x minus square root of y is also 1. So while for some values of x, square root of x minus square root of y will produce exactly the same values as square root of x minus y, in general, this statement is not true. The typical errors that we see in calculus usually originate in pre-calculus, algebraic simplifications. Please take a look at the following 4 examples. A plus b cubed. Is it equal to a cubed plus b cubed? In general. How about square root of a squared plus b squared? Can we simplify this as just a and b, because square root of a squared is just a and square root of b squared is just b? What about a plus b divided by a? Can I just cancel a's, so get just 1 plus b? What if I have a fraction 1 over a minus b? Is it 1 over a minus 1 over b? You should be able to select values of a and b. Just take non-trivial values and see whether or not you'll be able to prove that actually none of those 4 formulas in general are the correct formulas.